Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to customize Shopify checkout. First, let's access the Shopify website. I'm already on the Shopify dashboard. Next, on the left menu, click the Settings button. On the Settings page, select Checkout on the left. Click it to open the Checkout settings page. The first option is Visual Customization, but we'll scroll down. First up is Customer Contact Method. You can ask for phone, email, or just email. I'll set it to email only for my customers. There's a box to show the order tracking link. You can choose to display it or not. I'll leave it disabled. There's also an option to require customers to log in before checkout. So I'll leave that disabled too. Now let's look at the customer information. Here you can ask for just the last name or the full name. I'm going to select the full name option. Company name we'll leave as default. Second address line we can make optional. And the delivery phone number we can also leave out. You can change any of these if you want. It's up to you. We'll leave the marketing and tip options disabled. For pickup preference, we'll keep the default setting. Now we have the abandoned cart option. You can set this up in marketing automation. These are the checkout data settings. After configuring, we'll go up and click the save button. And with that, we've now saved the settings. However, we can customize the checkout. Let's go to the checkout option and click the customize button. Just click it. This will open the checkout editing page. Here you'll see the checkout as it's currently set up for you. On the left side, you can adjust the settings. The first setting is for the logo, which you can add to your checkout. Simply click on Add Image. This opens the library. You can upload a new image or select one from your library. I'll select one here, but you can easily upload your own. After that, you can adjust the logo size. The default is 100 pixels, but you can make it larger if you prefer. Next, you can change the logo alignment. You can place it on the left, center, or right. I'll leave it in the center. You can change the logo position in the checkout form, order summary, or full width. I'll put it in the checkout option so it'll appear here. Next we have the background color. There are two background colors, the left side color for customer info and the right side for the order. You can add an image or choose a color for the background. If I click and select a color, it'll change the background to that color. The same applies to background 2. You can add an image or pick a color for the background. It's entirely up to you. I'll keep the default colors. Below are colors for other information. We have highlight, button, and error colors. You can change all of these. Card backgrounds can be transparent or white for form fields. With a white background, it won't matter, but you can see the difference with other colors. It's your choice. I'll make it transparent, but it won't be visible with a white background. We have typography options, where you can change the font styles and formats. You can modify the header and body text of the checkout. Lastly, we have checkout layout options. Currently, it uses a one-page checkout, so all information is on one page. Contact, delivery address, payment method, and pay button are all on one page. If you prefer, you can use the three-page checkout option instead. Here, customers first enter info, then delivery option, then payment method. These are separate pages. I'll keep the default one-page checkout option. Lastly, there's address autocomplete. I'll leave it enabled. After these settings, your checkout is customized. There aren't many options, but you can tweak the logo and colors. Once you're done, just click the Save button in the top right corner. After clicking, changes are saved. You've customized colors, added your logo, and set up your Shopify checkout as desired. I hope this video was helpful. Bye!